For problem set 9, I had number 12, which reads, Alice and Bill live at opposite ends of the same street. They leave their houses at the same time and each walk at constant speed from their house to the other house and back. The first time they meet, they are 250 yards from Alice's house, and the second time they meet, they are 100 yards from Bill's house. Both times they are traveling opposite directions. What is the distance in yards between the two houses? So, to start, x is going to be our variable that stands for the distance we are trying to find between the houses. So first we can look at an equation to approach the problem. So the rate of something is equal to the distance of it over the time. So if we treat the rate of Alice, r sub a, equal to distance over time, and the rate of Bill, r sub b, equal to distance over time, we can start solving for the distance. So with the information given, the first time they meet is going to equal time is equal to the distance over the rate. So 250 over the rate of Alice equal to x minus 250 over the rate of Bill. And then the second time they meet, you will do x plus 100 over the rate of Alice equal to x plus the quantity of x minus 100 over the rate of Bill. And again, we do that because you make a timeline to see Alice's house and Bill's house, and you plot out the distances they give you, 250 and 100, and treat this whole thing as x, and then you can see where you have to subtract or add your quantities of the number of yards. So that's how we get like the x minus 250 or x minus 100. So after you have your two equations or your two proportions based on the first time and second time they meet, you want to solve for RA over RB for both circumstances. And you set the two equations equal to each other. So here, the first time we solve for RA over RB, you'll get 250 over x minus 250. And set that equal to x plus 100 over 2x minus 100. And then from there, you cross multiply to solve for x, and you FOIL the left side and distribute the 250 on the right side. Get everything over so to equal to 0, and you get x times quantity of x minus 650 equals 0. So you get x equals 0 and x equals 650. And the distance between the two houses is not a zero distance of 0 yards. So you know that 650 is your answer, and that will give you Alice and Bill's houses to be 650 yards apart. Thank you.